Welcome to the CLA technical training video on how to install the CLA agent. Before we begin with the installation, you will need to locate and access the path to the installation files for the CLA agent. This is dependent on your environment and is usually located within a shared folder on the CLA application server. If you are uncertain of this path, please send through an email to CLA support on support@corporatevoice.co.za detailing your request. A CLA technical consultant will then contact you and provide you with the relevant information or assistance. Once you know the path to the installation files, you can continue with the installation by browsing to this location. In this training video, the installation files can be found in a shared folder on my local PC. Remember, you will need to access the installation path that is specific to your environment. In the installation folder, you will find two installation packages or files, a.exe and a .msi installation file. Either one of these can be used when doing this installation. Please note that it is important that the installation is done using an account that has local administration rights and is executed with elevated privileges. If the installation is run without elevated privileges, a user access control or UAC prompt will be displayed and you will need to enter the requested administrative credentials. The installation will only continue once the required credentials are provided and the permissions granted. To begin the installation, right-click on the setup package and choose the Run as Administrator option. The installation is quite quick and you may miss it, so please keep an eye out for it. Once the installation has started, you will not need to do anything after this point, as the installation is automatic and will close itself once it is done, as you can see. To confirm the installation of the CLA agent, you will need to open up the Windows Task Manager and search for the CLA client processes. These processes are the CLA Client Data Sync Agent, the CLA Client Module Launcher Agent, and the CLA Client Windows Service Agent. These processes can also be found in the Details tab under the process names MSDIM Sync for the CLA Client Data Sync Agent, MSDIM for the CLA Client Module Launcher Agent, and MSDIM SVC for the CLA Client Windows Service Agent. Please note that the MSDIM SVC or Windows Service Agent and the MSDIM Sync or the Data Sync Agent processes will be running as the system user, while the MSDIM or Module Launcher Agent will be running as the currently logged on user. Once you see that these processes are executed, you can consider that the installation of the CLA agent was done successfully. This concludes the CLA technical training video. If you do require any further information or assistance, please send through an email to CLA support on support@corporatevoice.co.za detailing your request, and a CLA technical consultant will then contact you and provide you with the relevant information or assistance. Thank you.